All right, welcome to Direct Bookings. As always, there's a guide on this page. The purpose of this is to create a gap or a landing page for your properties between where you might post on Facebook Marketplace or Roomies, etc. So when somebody messages you and says they're interested, you would send them this link to your direct landing page instead of directly to your PadSplit referral link. This serves as a few things. One, it creates a professional landing page that's branded for you, gives you more control about the messaging, collects their lead information. So as their lead information comes in, it'll be landed in your inbox and then still takes them over to PadSplit the same way. This will allow you to follow up with somebody later and see if they're still looking for a room. And maybe they tell you that they moved into a room at PadSplit, but it wasn't your room. And you can use that to just audit if PadSplit appropriately paid you for the referral. So let's walk through. The main thing is you have your referral links. So you'll take your referral links that you have, maybe per city already on PadSplit, and you'll add those links here and simply put a market name and copy them in. You then star one, that's the default one, meaning if the system doesn't know which link to use based on the city, it will send them at least, it'll know which one to pick by default. Next is your landing pages. So landing pages by default, you're going to have one, and there's a few different settings here. We're going to have, we can open it in a new tab to view it. We can copy the link. This is where you see your visibility. So you'll see all properties that are toggled on for that landing page. You can toggle them individually. You can then see specifics for that landing page. So most people are going to be using just a single landing page for all properties, but you can divide them if you wanted to. In here, you put a brand name for your page, you upload a logo, your own headline, tagline, description, etc. You can pick your custom colors here, any contact information, which we actually suggest you just leave that off, and then any footer text you want to have. So that's where you customize your page. You can easily add additional pages here to have a different set of properties or different logos or things like that as you see fit. So with that said, let's go ahead and open one of these in a new tab. So this is a landing page based on everything we set. So you can see there's a logo, there's the different headlines at the top, all the buttons are green, and there's a map. Currently, this is my current rooms that are available that are showing here. The user can then see their prices based on weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. They can also sort by state if they want a specific, and your images that you have uploaded within your properties underneath the individual rooms. If those are set, your image will show up there. So from here, any of these buttons kind of all do the same thing, whether they click anywhere or book a room now. There's different FAQs at the bottom that are preset to give them additional information. And that's an overview. They have like their rooms here or their FAQ jumps to here. When someone applies to a room, they'll simply enter their information. Okay, when they enter the information, they hit submit and continue. It'll tell them, great, you're qualified. And you can see here, it tells them they're going to direct them to PadSplit. When they click that link, it's then going to take them directly to the same referral link that you probably would have given them on their own. In this case, we routed them to the Dallas link, and there's one property available there, and they can simply click on it to apply. Back here, and we refresh this page, we'll see that we have a new lead in our lead inbox right here where we collected. And that's kind of the whole flow over direct bookings. As always, if you have any feedback, suggestions, or find anything that doesn't seem to be working correctly, please submit at the bottom right.